Imagine for a moment a bird caged for years, its wings clipped, its sky limited to the bars of its prison. Now imagine that cage door swings open, the bird's wings grow back, and the expanse of the sky stretches out before it. The bird has the freedom to fly as high and as far as it wishes. But what if that bird, conditioned by years of confinement, chooses to stay within the familiarity of its cage? This bird, my friends, is a metaphor for the human mind. The cage, its self-imposed limits, and the open sky, the boundless potential each of us possesses. Do you know that the human brain, this 3-pound organ, contains about 100 billion neurons? Each neuron connects with, on average, 40,000 synapses. A piece of brain tissue the size of a grain of sand contains 100,000 neurons and 1 billion synapses, all talking to one another. Incredible, isn't it? Yet, despite this immense potential, many of us choose to stay within the confines of our own mental cages, limited by our beliefs about what we can or cannot achieve. We clip our own wings and forget the vastness of the sky that lies beyond. But remember, the cage door is open. Our wings can grow back. The sky, with its infinite potential, is waiting. Consider this. The world record for the longest distance run without stopping is 350 miles. This was achieved by a man named Dean Karnazes in 80 hours. Most people believed they couldn't possibly run that far, but Dean Karnazes believed he could, and so he did. His mind allowed him to go as far as he wanted, proving that our limits are often self-imposed. So, what is this all about? It's about the power of belief, the power of the mind, and the limitless potential we all possess. Like the bird, we can choose to fly beyond the cage of our self-imposed limits. We can soar to heights unimaginable, achieving what we once thought impossible. To summarize, the human brain, with its 100 billion neurons, offers us a world of limitless potential. We limit ourselves only by what we believe we can achieve. The world record for the longest run, achieved by Dean Karnazes, serves as a testament to the power of belief and the boundlessness of our capabilities. So, don't limit yourself to the cage. Spread your wings and explore the sky. You can go as far as your mind lets you. What you believe, remember, you can achieve.